All right. So I hope everyone is doing well. I have to say that I was bragging about you guys a little bit because a lot of teachers are having trouble getting their kids to turn in work. And the majority of you are turning in work and you're turning in really good work. So I want to say thank you. Um, Here's the remediation page for weeks 4 and 5. There's some video links on here. Another place you can find those are also in Gradebook. So if you click on your Gradebook assignment under the notes category, you'll find the links to those videos. Go ahead and do your corrections in here. The FRQ you did yesterday or actually today, sorry, 4:30. You'll have that for next week to correct. So no worries on that one. Okay, we have a new assignment that you guys are going to be doing this week, and that is if you go into the calendar, you will see this remediation sheet. And let's see, actually, I'll open it from down here. I'm not remediation sheet, I'm so sorry. Unit 4 study card. So we're going to be making a study card because, as you guys know, you are going to be taking the test online at home. And I was thinking if you had 8 either front and back pieces of computer-sized paper, or if you got some cardstock, something that's a little thicker, you can use a front and a back of each card for each unit. And instead of going back and starting at Unit 1 this week, I figured since we're in Unit 4, you guys can go ahead and do Unit 4 study card today. So what you're going to be doing is, if you click on the home page in Canvas, you can go right to Unit 4 and you'll see, if you go to, let's see, if you go to the home page on Canvas for my class and you click on Unit 4, right here, all the notes are in there. So if you guys click on cell communication, you'll open it up and all of the notes are here. Okay, so you guys can pull out any of those notes that you want to look at. Now, another resource that you have is OpenStax. So if you guys click on chapter 9 right here, that's going to go to the first part of cell signaling. Chapter 10, that's going to take you to chapter 10, and those links go right into the OpenStax online textbook. So on the front and back of your card, this is going to be a 100-point summative for you to create this and then send it to me. You're going to answer all of these. So 1 through 9 have to be on your card. Question 1 is actually on the second page. You're given a lab setup, and then you have to answer some questions. So that's number 1. Okay, number 2, design an experiment, and then it tells you how you're going to get your points. So that's going to be in another part of your card. Second, create a chart comparing long and short distance cell communication methods, what molecules are used, and give examples. Question 4, G protein link receptor as an example, diagram and label a signal transduction pathway. Wow, that sounds like your FRQ you guys just did. Include a second messenger, so CAMP, right? All right, number 5, what are the possible responses of a signal transduction pathway? What would happen if any component were mutated? Specify, so that could be reception, transduction, response, which part is mutated. What else could interfere in the proper functioning of that pathway? That's number 5. Next, create a chart comparing negative and positive feedback mechanisms. Give an example of both for a plant and an animal. So make sure you have one of each. Create a chart with the steps of the cell cycle. Include the events in each step. You had a POGIL on the cell cycle. That might be something good to dig up here. Okay, so cell cycle G1S, G2M, right? And then what is G0? Make sure those are in there. Describe the role of cyclins. Remember CDKs? We had those in a POGIL too. Cyclin-dependent kinases and cyclins. And cyclins don't work until the 2 of them are bound, right? Give an example of a checkpoint and its importance. So pick one, talk about it. What is apoptosis and why might it occur? Okay, so this is 100 points, okay? Question 1's worth 20, and the rest of these are worth 10. Okay, all right, and then this, tell you what I'll do. Get 100 points on this, and I'll replace your lowest summative grade with it, okay? So once you get your card done, front and back, Okay, I want you to take a picture of the front, take a picture of the back, and email it to me as an attachment or send it to me in Remind, either one. Okay, if you have any questions, please, I always have my phone out and the Remind messages pop right up on here. So send me a message on there. All right, guys, I hope everyone is doing well, and I really miss seeing you guys in class. So it's kind of boring sitting here grading your papers and not even getting to see you. So have a great weekend, and we will be on to Unit 5 on Monday. Okay, take care. Talk to you soon, hopefully.